couldn't tell here.
And Elena here.
We are back after our little episode on Sunday, our little break. You know, we had amazing cookies, Christmas cookies for you guys. But you know, life happens, technology happens. It can be both our enemy and best friend. But you know, we're back and that's what matters. And what Elena has in store for us actually today is a very traditional Romanian Christmas dish.
Yes, so this dish is coming actually on request, and we're speaking about the cabbage rolls. They usually come with meat, but we are gonna make the vegetarian option today. So without further ado, let's see the ingredients. So for this recipe you will need salt and pepper, some rosemary, 300 grams of tomato sauce, 150 grams of grated carrots, 150 grams of chopped onions, 25 grams of fresh dill, 200 milliliters of vegetable oil, 170 grams of rice, easy cook rice, and then you are gonna need fermented cabbage. The leaves, you are gonna cut them like this in square shapes, and then you are gonna chop 300 grams of that as well. And on a last note, you can find fermented cabbage in any Eastern European shop here in the UK. Pour half of the oil in your pan, and once the oil is warmed up, roast the onion with the carrots and the dill. After 2 minutes, you can add the rice, half of the tomato sauce, salt and pepper, and add half cup of water and let it cook for 2-3 minutes. You don't need to cook the rice for too much, just 2 or 3 minutes, because it's gonna cook in the oven. Then in your tray you need to pour the remaining part of your oil. Sprinkle the chopped cabbage. Add tomato sauce. And now we will start preparing the rolls. So leaf by leaf, and you will place on the leaf some of the mixture with rice that you've cooked earlier. Not too much, and then you wrap it up. Now guys, the first layer of rolls is ready, so in between layers we will place the rosemary. And we will add some more on top.
There's a light, like natural light, it's insane. But they look so good!
See, it's not always raining in the UK. And guys, meanwhile, don't forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees. The rolls are ready. Last thing to do is gonna be pouring water on them till you cover them. Cover the tray with aluminum foil. And bake for 2 hours at 180 degrees.
Él lo va a cenar. Si lo pillo por la calle dice, si lo pillo por la disco dice, si lo pillo por el área dice,
aluminium foil away and let them roast for 15-20 minutes. Ta-da! Our rolls are ready. They look amazing. Mom would be proud. They are usually served with a bit of chili as well, so if you are a chili fan, just add that to your dish. Then, how many, Anna?
5.
5.
I'm kidding.
2, 3, 4.
4.
4.
Sounds like a good compromise.
5.
Oh.
And add as well some of the cabbage from the bottom.
The smell!
Okay. You can serve them with some Greek yogurt. We will place it here. And sprinkle some more fresh dill on top. This is Romanian.
Oh,
Enjoy!
I'm so excited! Actually, our fellow Romanian people would probably be disappointed because there's no meat in them. But we wanted to try this, I was about to say new, but it's not new recipe.
Vegetarian
Yes.
recipe, which we were realizing that it's actually vegan because, guys, if you are not eating them with yogurt, then it's vegan.
Which is even better. So that's it from us today. I'm going in because this smells amazing.
Oh, so you're leaving me with the request part, right?
Indeed.
Guys, please don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell and subscribe. We still need to reach that goal there, and we can't do that without your help. And actually, Christmas is in 2 days, so have a break and let's wish them all Merry Christmas, guys. See you soon.
Happy holidays.
Don't do that again.
and the onion strikes again.
This is even worse. Oh my god.
Why?
Because I want to chop them very finely, like very.
And that's how you know.
I don't know. I'm gonna cut my fingers.
Eat for today, and I eat up.
Your health. And well, Anna, hit the notification bell and all.
Just as Mom would say.
So she's leaving them. Help. Don't forget to like this video, hit the Oh, my head is paying so much.
Santa? Yeah, it's me. Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. Listen, we need you to give Elena some vibes. She can't seem to say the word notification. Yeah. Well. Vibes. Bring negative ones because I'm about to explode. Thank you. Yeah, please. Bye.
last one. It's gonna work.